guys, Will Billy here, and today I have my own personal computer that I just got. And this is what I'm going to be filming most of my videos on from now on, hopefully. But anyways, I thought I'd just, take it apart and see what's on the inside. So I haven't opened it up yet, so this will be new to me. So, without further ado, the thing we gotta do is take off all the screws. And there's quite a lot of them, so, guess I'll just time-lapse this, because nobody wants. And now with the final screw about to come out. Come on. Oh no. It's stuck in there. Alright. 1 second. Okay, so I got some more tools, and that should hopefully lodge this bottom part out. Oh yeah, there we go. One little stuck screw. Looks like it's locked. Huh? Wow. That is cool. Look at that. Huh. So, let's get a good overview. Oh, come on, focus. So right here, right here, this red part, this whole red plastic thing, and is the motherboard. Here we've got heat pipes. These are covered heat pipes. This one is exposed here. Then we've got the 2 cooling fans, which have already collected some dust. And we have the huge battery. Hold on a second. Let me get some. This is my phone compared to the battery. My old iPhone 6. Current phone. The battery is twice it's like as thick as the iPhone 6, but it's like twice as long. Dang, that's a big battery. Hope I didn't lose any screws. That'd be pretty bad. And then we've just got Ethernet, USBs. What jack is that? That's the power right here. Looks like this is a fan power cable right here. Maybe, yeah. And then we've got, this is cool, the heat pipes here flow into here, and the fan blows it out right back here. Or the fan blows the heat sinks off. Yeah, this is pretty cool. We've got 2 more USBs. And we've got a USB-C right here. The other 2 USBs, and then somewhere around here, there should be 2 audio jacks. Here they are. Microphone and headphone, these 2. And then you've got the speakers over here and here. This one's sideways a little, that's pretty strange. And then you've got the hinges for the display and some other circuits. Yeah. And here is the glorious, right here, the glorious Core i7 9th Gen CPU. I'm pretty sure that's it, at least. And right under here is, where is it? Here. Under here, I believe, is where you would put your own RAM in. And I don't know where the graphics card is. Huh. It's gotta be somewhere around here. Battery. Here's PCI Express port. Or lane, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I don't know where the graphics card is in here. Well, that's another mystery for another time. So yeah, this is my computer. Hope you enjoy. This isn't my usual content, but if you like it, leave a like. If you really liked it, subscribe, and that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.